So the first thing that you want to do before adding your product is to add your product categories. So for that, let's go into your dashboard and then you go to product and categories. So for us, we are going to have two categories, the watch for men and the watch for women. So I will create the category watches men and the category watches women. And that's it. This way you can add as many categories as you have for your store. You can always come back here later to add more categories if you want. You always need to keep the uncategorized category just because by default you need to have one category that will be applied to the product who don't have a category. So that's why you need to keep at least one like this that is general and can be applied to any product. And that's it. You can add all the category here. You can add as much as you want and you can always come back later if you want to add a new category. So now let's add some products.